Well, hello this morning. Boardwalk Ferrari Spring Concorso today. And the car behind me, got some slider shots of it and hopefully a good voiceover from the owner, because it is not an Edsel, even though it has the front end of an Edsel. Just a few shots in this.
Man, that is one rare bird right there.
Yes, sir. I'll have to agree with you there. I can guarantee you won't see another one like it.
I've seen a sedan, but I've never seen a wagon before.
Well, the front half is a 1958 Edsel Citation. The back half of the body is a 57 Ford Ranch wagon. The front half of the frame is a 1988 Corvette. And the back half is a 57 Ford Country sedan, which is a four-door wagon.
Wow, that is so cool.
Thank you very much.
So cool.
I never see myself coming down the road the other direction.
Hey, take care.
Now, of course, this show is going to have a ton of supercars, which I'm going to be very happy with, because I usually don't shoot them, and this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Since I did a long feature on that Edsel, that it wasn't an Edsel, I'm going to go straight into the show and let's see what we can see here. pile of fakes goes over there. Look, everyone's running. Oh no! Run! And we're back in the car. What a freaking great show. It's always great to be shooting supercars and hypercars exclusively. This is the only show that I really do that every year, so it is always refreshing to come here. But this show used to be like one of those gems. Not a lot of people knew about it. This year is completely different. There was people everywhere. Very hard to shoot. Had to fight almost to get the shots of the F40, because if there's an F40 there, I gotta shoot it, of course. Favorite of the show though, there's also a Testarossa there. That was the first car that I shot. Black Testarossa, super beautiful. I'm in love with that 80s wet shape. Talk about wet shapes. The 355, the last of the wet shapes, was there as well. And it's the first time that I've ever shot slider shots of luggage. It's really cool to see though. And you should have been there, smell-o-vision, because that luggage, it smelled beautiful. Just as beautiful as it looked. There's a P1 there. It's also very cool to see. And it had kind of a flip-flop color, so I hope the camera kind of picked that up. It'd be really neat. But there can only be one favorite, and it's really a toss-up for me. The black Testarossa or the F40. Now, because I know that I picked the F40 last year, I'm gonna go with the Testarossa. This is black. It had that beautiful interior, which is the best color combination. Like if I had a black car, that is the color interior that I would want in my car, hands down. Beautiful. I think they call it like saddle or something. At least in American cars they call it saddle. I don't know what they call it in Italian cars. Let me know in the comment section below. But it's beautiful, and that is it. And of course, you know, you have that gated shifter there as well. Man, I would love to be able to drive one of those cars ever. Now, exit shots. I already told you that there was a ton of people there, so it's kind of hard to find a place where you could really shoot by yourself, which that was pretty much impossible. Also, there was a lot of wind. Don't know how many shots are going to be ruined, but we'll see. We'll see. I know that there are some really great shots. I have a ZO6 in there, which is the first time that I properly heard a ZO6 in person, a C8 ZO6, and I like the way it sounds, man. That sounds really exotic. It's another one of those cars that I would love to drive. Anyway, the outtakes are coming up. And as always, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. And if you're not subscribed to me, you will see this video for the first time, let me know what you thought of it, and hit that subscribe button, because I'm still trying to grow the channel just a little bit. You guys take care, and see you later.